What is up, you guys? In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to find those right products to start selling on Amazon and start making money online. With this tool I'm gonna show you is literally how I grew my Amazon business from zero all the way to $1 million company. Let me show you guys really quick here of how I do everything and how you can get started as well. So we have here Helium 10, and Helium 10 is a software that I recommend you to use in order to grow your Amazon business. We can go here to profits here on this little tab, and you can see of my sales from today, yesterday's sale profit and sales, last 7 days here, and last year's sales and net profit. Net profit is what we want to look for when it comes to selling on Amazon and pretty much selling online, because that's what we're taking home, right? The sales, look, over $1 million in sales is really nice, but is that what I'm taking home? No. So I really don't like to consider that as, you know, for the business. I like to look at the net profit. So if you want to like follow along in this video and do like Amazon product research, I also have Helium 10 in the description down below as well as in the pinned comments. That way you can use this software to find that right product to start selling on Amazon. But first, I would like you to watch this whole video to see exactly how the whole process works. I'm gonna try and make it really simple and easy for you guys so you guys can see exactly the potential people are making. Check this out here. So we have here, look, this is literally took me 2 minutes to do. You can see this product right here, right? It's just a regular bottle cleaner for babies. And what I'm going to be showing you guys is all baby products, because baby products do very well with selling online. So this product you can see here made $26,000 in 30 days. Let's click another one here, right? Beach towels for babies here, $31,000 last 30 days. This is only 1 month and one product, right? This product here made $25,000, and these are very small products and very cheap products to get from China. So this one was $48,000. This one would be a little bit more expensive to source from China because it is a little bit bigger than what I like. But look at this. This right here, $42,000. It's a very, very small product, really easy to sell and get. And what I also want to show you guys in all of these listings is that all these listings literally have less than 300 reviews, right? Look at this. That's 215 reviews, 72 reviews, and they're making $25,000. That just shows you that you can potentially do the same exact thing. 156 reviews. These are all very small listings that just started selling on Amazon, and they're still making a ton of money. So how are you going to find what products to start selling on Amazon in general, right? So what I personally do is I do Amazon private label. And this is when you ship your product from China to Amazon's warehouse, and Amazon packs it, ships it, delivers it to the customer. Your products are essentially on Amazon Prime. One of the best ways and best business models to do, because essentially what I do is like I have Amazon employees as my own employees. I do have to consider, you know, the Amazon FBA fees and like product costs, but that I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to make sure what products do very well and how you can profit and grow a long-term business. Knowing those little details is going to allow you to really scale a full-time Amazon business, right? So let's go more in depth and in details with this here. So let's go here. So let's say, how are we going to find what products to sell? Like, these are really good products, right? I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can do the same exact thing. Let me close this tab here. We're going to go to tools, and we're going to do Amazon product research. This tool, Helium 10, is a monthly subscription. Like I said, if you want this, you can click the link in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments. I'll have it there for you guys. So let me show you guys exactly what filters that I use to find what products to start selling. So you can do baby products is really good, or pet supplies is also a really good one. These are the filters that are really advanced here. You're gonna put 1 in 1 of sellers, minimum price $18, because we wanna sell something that's a little bit more expensive that's gonna give us a high profit margin. Monthly revenue, minimum $20,000. Review count, let's put max at 300. Shipping size, we don't like to sell anything big and large, so we're gonna put these two here. Max weight, 3 pounds. I don't like to sell anything big and heavy. And then we're gonna put FBA here. FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. This is when Amazon does all the work for us, right? Now we're gonna click search. And what this is gonna do is gonna find a bunch of great products to start selling on Amazon. It's literally gonna be really fast and straight to the point with good profitable products. So I'm gonna click a few here just to show you guys here. You're gonna like click here, we're gonna click this one. You know, let's click, things are like small, right? So I just clicked a bunch of random products just to show you guys really quick here. And this is like really fast. This is straight to the point because, you know, I've been selling on Amazon for a very long time, so I know exactly what I'm doing with this whole process. And it might be very like intimidating for you, especially if you're starting off with selling on Amazon. But I promise you, after you put that time and effort with going, like doing this, learning exactly what to do with the first shipment, how to make the first order, getting it listed on Amazon. After you do that, the first time it's going to be a piece of cake and you're going to build a long-term business. What I do is, like, when I first started, my goal was to make like $200. And I got that money. I started doing like $200 to $300 profit every day off one product. And this is exactly how I teach you guys. Like, I want you to find that one product that's going to make you $250 in profit every day, and I want you to reinvest that money into the second product, and then the third product, and the fourth product. The next thing you know, you have like a huge business because you've been reinvesting in it, and now that 200 is turning into 500, turning into 700 to $1,000 a day. Literally exactly how I did it. And I'm showing you guys exactly on my channel of how you can do the same exact thing. If you want to learn more about like Amazon and what mistakes you want to avoid, or Amazon FBA fees and the calculators, or how to get even your brand trademarked, all of that stuff, I literally made a free course for you guys. Nothing is needed to get started with that. I'll have that in the link in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments. Literally nothing is needed with that free course. You can start in 3 minutes from now. You always check it out. I'll have it in the description as well as in the pinned comments. And I also have a more advanced course on there that's only $99 a month, because I try to make it as affordable to you guys as possible. The free one, absolutely free, nothing's needed. It gets the ball rolling for you guys, especially if you're starting up with Amazon. And let's say if you wanted to make it a full-time income later in the future, you could always check out that advanced course. And a ton of free content for you guys here on this channel to help you guys with anything. If you have any questions regarding any of this stuff, comment down below. Or if you want to see a different type of video, leave a question down below. I'll make a video for that. So let's get back to this. So I clicked a bunch of listings here for you guys. And what we're going to do now is we're going to click those listings to see. So we have here washable pee pads for dogs, $25,000 in the last 30 days, only 158 reviews. Great product. I mean, it is a bit expensive, but I think it's a really good product to start selling. Look at this. This $20,000, literally, it looks like dog shoes right here. It's kind of crazy, but maybe if the dog's going like hiking or something, I don't know. But less than 100 reviews, $20,000. Insane. Look at this one. Right here, $22,000, 165 reviews. You can see here, a bunch of reviews. Now we're gonna go here, $36,000. This looks like something protection for the dog. I don't know yet. 143 reviews, 26. So what I want you to do here is look for a bunch of product ideas that, you know, might help potentially, like, hey, this might do well. This might do well. So this one here, it looks really good too. I really like this fast drying dog bathrobe. That's a very fancy dog. Okay, so let's say what was the best product idea I saw here? Let's say we want to sell this, right? This is going to be, I think this is going to be a little bit harder to find, not going to lie. So this one's selling for $26, 21,000 in the last 30 days, right? Let's say we want to sell this exact product, right? So what I personally would do is I go on Alibaba.com, and this is where you find all the manufacturers from China, and you would pretty much paste that main keyword on from the listing. Sometimes you have to play with the keywords depending on, you know, what you're looking for. But let's say this one, trying to look for something very, very similar, right? And I mean, this one's pretty close, it looks like. This one looks a little bit even cuter. So this one might work. They probably have other listings as well. So let's keep going, keep looking. This one looks literally just like it too. Pretty close to it. Okay, so what you would do here, in my experience, what I would do here, so we're gonna put that, I'm gonna put take away fast, right? And then we're gonna put, look at this, it's great. So now we're gonna put max price, let's put $5 because I don't really know the price point for this. This might be around $4 to $3 to get. So what I would do here is I will contact a bunch of suppliers here, but try to contact the suppliers that have more than 5 years on Alibaba, because they've been selling a lot longer. And from my experience, I always get the best customer service with dealing with like suppliers that have been on for a very long time. So 10 years like this, and then you can negotiate with them the pricing. And if you even want, you can literally send them the listing or a picture of the listing and ask them literally, do you have this type of product? And they'll be honest with you, yes or no. And you can tell them what price point and how much would it cost. Look at this thing. This is really nice. So yeah, that's how I would source all my products from Amazon. And to exactly see how much you could potentially make with Amazon, you're gonna have to do Amazon FBA revenue calculator, right? So let me show you guys that as well. All right, this is a little bit, it might be intimidating because there's a lot of information at once, but I promise you, after you've like learned this whole process, it's gonna be a piece of cake. It's gonna take you a little bit of time, a couple of weeks, but then you're done, and like you're gonna be banking off this. So how do you know how much profit you'll be making with a product like this? Right, so we need to figure out how much we're gonna be making. So what you're gonna do here is go to the ASIN here. This is like the identity of the product. I like to copy this, and I like to go on Google here, and then we're gonna put Amazon FBA calculator. We're gonna type that on Google here, and you're gonna click this first one. It's gonna say sellercentral.amazon.com, literally from Amazon's website. So you're gonna continue as a guest, and you're gonna paste that ASIN and click search. And what this is gonna do is it's gonna show you how much fees they're paying with Amazon. So Amazon's collecting $5 just to fulfill the order, and it's $5.42 to ship the order. So then we're gonna have to put the product cost here. So for this product here, we're looking probably around, it's looking like, I don't know, right? I'm gonna say like $3.50. Wait, where's the one I filtered? All right, so $3.50 to $4, I think. I'm gonna end up putting $4. Like, look at this one. This one, $2.69 to $4. Let's put $4 just in case, right? And then for shipping, we're gonna put 80 cents because it might be a little bit heavier. So net profit, of course, you need to like, with this, like the product cost, you need to verify with the supplier and talk to them and see, you know, how much the product will cost. And the shipping, ideally, you're gonna be paying around this price if you do a cargo shipment container with a bulk order. So now we're gonna have a net margin of 41% and net profit of $11 each sale. So this person here, let's go back, where's that listing? Right, it's here, okay. So you can see here, this person made $21,000 in sales, but how much profit did they collect after doing all these sales? So you can see the amount of units they sold, 806. So we're gonna go to the calculator here. They put 806 and 11. It potentially made profit in 1 month, $8,866 off this one product on Amazon. And that's what I like to teach you guys. Literally, that is exactly, like I said, $250 to $300 in 1 month with one product, just like that. You can see that product has less than 300 reviews, They're making $250 to $300, exactly how I said it. And you can see like there's potential when it comes to selling on Amazon. Like, you don't need to be a big time like multi-millionaire to sell products on Amazon or anything like that. There's people making a ton of money with Amazon. You can be doing the same exact thing. If you want if you have any questions regarding any of this, or you want me to make a certain type of video, comment what you want in the comments down below. I'll try to help you guys out as much as I can. If you want to check out that free course, I'll have it also in the description down below. It's really fast and easy to join. I try to make it real simple. Yeah, anything you need, leave a comment down below. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you guys on the next one. Peace.